see that perfect? There we go. Beautiful. Probably stay away from those trees though. Can you hear the thunder? And you know, thunderstorm's gonna come by here today. But it looks like there is. Looks pretty strong. Just rain shower material maybe. But it's lightning. I don't know, it's thundering. Probably gonna get a good breeze here in a couple of seconds. It's really thundering over there. Go check it out when it gets. Sounds like where most of the thunder is to my left. Start raining here soon. At least I got the water protectors case on the camera. Oh, there's some lightning. It's really raining hard, way down there. It's getting pretty close actually. I have to go inside really soon. Alright. Let's see where this other thunder's coming from. I hear some off to my left. Alright, I heard some thunder off to my left. There's something over here. It's just the outer edge of this storm. Maybe there's another storm over here.